What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hella noise. Got Andy over there in the car. We're in that Challenger we just finished working on. We are actually going to be installing today the Spoon Sports rigid collars. Got the RX-7 here. We got a little surprise for the RX-7 that I got to show you. It's definitely making a whole lot more power now. But Andy in his faces. But yeah, we're going to be installing the Spoon Sports rigid collars. I have it here. You guys have seen the video or seen the unboxing. This is it right here. And I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do this because it's very easy to do. Andy, right quick. So, for the rigid collars, what do you see we got to do?
I guess just this flash guard.
It's got to come off.
Don't show the other half of it.
I know, right?
Just show this half. Don't even look at the other side of it. The nice OEM splash shield. This little front one, I would say, just so that you could reach the front ones.
Right here.
With ease. The rear ones, there's nothing back here really in the way, so makes it
pretty easy, huh?
Makes it a little easier, yeah.
I would say this installation is probably like 20 minutes tops.
Yeah, it'll take longer recording the video than the installation.
Yeah, exactly. So let's get to it. We got to remove these.
So 17 millimeter.
17 millimeter on both sides.
That's it. We're gonna loosen them up.
Bring down the subframe a little bit,
yeah.
And put them on. So basically, what they do is they center the subframe.
Oh, okay.
And once it's centered, you dial in the alignment right on the dot. Perfect. Like you have no missing alignment. Like you're on the dot.
Right.
So when
there's a little bit of play in the bolt.
Yeah. Even though it's tight, there's space. So there's play.
Stud.
Yeah.
Whatever. Screw.
I guess. Not a nut, for sure.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So, we'll put them on right now. That's what the kit looks like.
You know what we could do is take one out and then see how... Take one of the studs out and see...
So...
Because it probably just makes up that little...
One for the top,
space.
one for the top, one for the bottom.
Yeah.
We just got to find out what the paste is for. Spoon Sports stickers. And we just have to find out what the paste is for.
I'm gonna brush my teeth with it.
All right, let's get to it. Let's get them out. We'll come back. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna show you guys what the grease is for, and we're gonna show you the actual placement on how you put on the collars, in order for you to have any mistake when you put it on the subframe and the body. So
we could actually do this. So it's already...
You gonna take that one out? Okay. So we kind of mocked that one up already, just to see it. So the bottom washer, which is the smaller one, it's flat on the bottom and you can see it has the lip. That goes in the bolt, just like that. And then the top one, which Andy already put, and you actually put it in the right way. You don't have to just get another one from the kit. If you want to leave that one there, we got another one from the kit. So it goes like that on the subframe. Just kind of like that. That's how it goes. And the grease is for the bolt, where we put it on right here. That's about it. It's a little bit of noise, guys, but you know, we're in a shop, normal stuff. No big deal. Spoon Sports.
A little like
Spoon Sport.
Anti-seize.
Yeah. Something like that. Little toothbrush.
Tastes delicious.
Alright. Just put that on there. That's how it works.
I'm not gonna tighten it all the way so we could do the other ones.
So we could do the other ones.
Yeah, just make it a little easier, just kind of hand tight. Just let it sit there and we'll do this one.
We'll do the other ones. All right. Just like that, we are on the last one. Remember, it goes this part, The top one, it goes down like this. The subframe will be up here. The bottom, the subframe will be down here. The body will be up here. That's kind of how it goes. Let me see if I get a zoom in on it or a focus. This doesn't want to grab focus, but yeah, you can see the lid there, the sticker. Let me see if I can touch the screen. There you go. Perfect.
Maybe use a little pry bar, whatever weapon you want, just to kind of hold the subframe down in order to get that top washer.
Get it in there. Alright, so we are pretty much done. It's only 4 bolts on the subframe. Andy, that took no longer than what, like 20 minutes?
It took us longer to eat lunch than it did to install. Yeah. Oh, we gotta put the plastic in.
So we gotta put the splash guard now back. Anyways, that's it. It's only 4 bolts. There is a torque spec to the bolts. You have to look it up. I forgot what it was right now. I think it might have been like 76 or 80 or something like that. But we already did it. Anyway, so it's already on. Bottom one, top one is already on. We're gonna bring the car down now, and that's about it, you know. Guys, so she is done, man. This buddy over there, I've been working all day on that. That's how she looks over here. So I'm gonna show you guys Andy's new setup on the RX-7 just before the video ends, so you guys can see how. All right, so last time it was twin turbo stock setup. Now, tell me a little bit about it. What you done, man?
Borg 8374.
Decent size, huh?
Yeah. Medium size for rotary.
For a rotary.
For anything else, it's a big turbo. It's on the shorty turboloan cast manifold.
Okay.
It's twin scroll, dual ball bearing. And it's also on their downpipe. I got all of that Acura coated black.
Okay.
And that's it. We got her tuned. Made 391.
391. So
I'm still on stock coils. I'm still on stock primaries. Still on regular pump gas.
So if you do 85, we could expect 400.
Yeah. Well, I was getting breakup issues because of the stock coils. We were actually getting the ignition code. So I have the upgraded coils from Socket Bomb. From Socket Bomb Garage. I have them. Just have to install them. So after I install them, we'll go back and shoot for 400.
And that, as is right now, it feels like a rocket.
That's at 14.7, 14.4 pounds PSI. Jesus. No, the car feels great. Spools up fast. Feels fantastic.
You think whoever run the wife is evil?
Not yet.
We're still a little
Not
bit
yet.
Yeah, but rotary, it's fast. So
yeah,
maybe
it revs up high, but those cars go through the gears so fast. And I've driven both cars. That car, I need a...
So just to tell the viewers, how much horsepower is your wifey's car pushing?
640 to the wheels.
Jesus. Talk about couples goals, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways, but if you guys want, you can congratulate Andy because he's having a baby boy.
Hello.
On the comments, him and Mari are
Vincent Miles.
Vincent Miles, they're expecting.
Race car driver or a jazz drummer or
something like that. It just sounds like a, what is it? Like an entertainer guy's name.
Something,
It kind of sounds like he was probably featured on the Shelby versus Ford movie. Oh, here comes Vincent Miles. He's about
Old
to
school,
yeah. But yeah, man, it looks great.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Good. It feels good.
You know what I love about this?
Try to keep it simple.
Little clear ones that you can see.
Yeah, man. That came with the
with the
Ariel. Yeah,
nice,
it came with that little.
There's not a lot of. I mean, REMME is still making parts for this car.
Yeah, you can still find parts.
And you also got this. This is from RE too?
This is from Feed.
Oh, from Feed.
The same as the hood.
Oh, okay.
And then the REMME lip. And the old school side screws.
And the side screws.
Yeah.
At some point, we'll have to do another review on this car, and we're definitely going for a photo shoot with the RX-7. So.
Oh, I also did the excessive lower intake manifold.
Okay.
And then Turbolone also sells this nice little heat shield just to help out with it.
Just to help out with it.
You can see how much more space.
There's a lot more space here
compared to the.
Alright guys, so I am officially done. The Spoon Sports rigid collars are on. Fortunately, I'm sorry, there was a lot of noise in the shop, but it is a shop and they're working, so there's nothing we can do about it. Appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you.